It's lovely and calm today, really good. Lots of surface fishing. Today we have my son Leon, who's going to fly a plane. He's going to take up the Aeroscout and see for the very first time what it's like to fly an RC aircraft. So here is the plane, calmer conditions today, so let's go. As you'll hear. Okay, we take that off, take that on. Right, I've got it on buddy box. So now you're going to have a flight and you know what to do to full power and then lift her up. So you're not on buddy box yet, so we'll just get that down there and you're going to be down there to lift it up, right? So, okay, try it now. You're on full. Hold on. Try it now. Try it now. That's it. Go. Full. Just let me straighten it out. Hold on. We'll just get out of that seaweed. Yep, that's it. You've got it. You still got it. So you should be pretty well okay there on that. See how you go. Full bore up. Up she, that's it. Well done. That's great. Right, bring her right around. That's wonderful, wonderful. Here he comes, coming in. Bring her right over. Oh yeah, she's doing well. Doing very well. Over the bush. And you're using a little bit of rudder, which is good. Fantastic. Over she goes. That's wonderful, just wonderful. You can only see the concentrated look on your face. It's a nice little plane to fly, isn't it? Aeroscout is just a beautiful aircraft. Really is. Getting a beeping? Okay. Now I will take over, right? And you get ready to land it, right? I'll line it up. Remember, low throttle to bring her down. Right, it's back to you. Yep. That's me again, sorry. I'm just not quite used to this buddy box yet. Hold on a sec. I'll bring it really low so that we can see what it looks like. I'll bring it down low. I've got it, it's okay, now I'm going to line it up. That's how we're going to do it. I've still got it. Yes. Okay, so you've got it now? So it's probably, there we are. It's there, that's all right. Done well, done well, done well. Now, I'm just going to go over that again for your, it's beeping?
Yeah, it keeps beeping it.
Okay, it's probably saying the battery, it might be the battery.
Okay.
But anyhow, what you're going to do is you're going to drop the, when we line it up over here, you're going to drop the speed right down.
Right.
Just, you can even idle it just a little bit.
Yep.
That's up, sorry, and that's down.
Yeah.
So you're just going to be controlling that and letting it come in and float in by itself.
Okay.
And if you need to control it, you're just doing this, right?
Yep.
It's going over that far, bring it over this way, right? So I'll take it up. I'll bring it around. right out. Now it's on you, right? Just turn it a little bit, that's it. Not too much, no, up. Hold on. We'll just get it around here again. I'll bring it over. I'll bring it really low to the ground, then you'll take over. All right? Let's just try that. Right over the fisherman. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Up to you. Oh, that's good. That's good. Well done. Well done. How'd you go with that?
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, good.
That was pretty sweet.
Good. Okay, just flip your controllers just so I know it's working. No, hold on. Try that. That's it. Good, you got it. Okay. This is buddy boxing with Leon. Okay.
Take up again?
Yep. Full bore. Full bore. And lift her up. That's it. Up she goes. Well done. Wonderful. This is his first couple of flights he's made. Right, he's turning around. Okay, that's good. Good one. Well done. Well done. That's it. Go right out and line her up and drop the power off. Go right out. Yeah, right out. Now turn around, that's it. Turn around, turn the power off. Okay, now just see how you go there. Bring her down onto the beach here. Down a little bit further. It's up to you. There you are. Well done. That's good. That's good. You comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting better at it.
Yeah, it's right. The more you do it, the more you get it.